5 basic sentence structures and adjectives. 1. Subject and verb. Type the sentence in the text box and enter. Click the sentence baseline and drag the words into the proper slots on it. The baseline adjusts to the proper length and the texts align automatically. Drag the sentence baseline to the desired location and the texts will follow automatically. Click the cross and start a new sentence. 2. Subject and verb and subject complement. Click You on the screen and drag it to the space for the subject. Click the complement component and move it to the sentence baseline. 3. Subject and verb and direct object. If a component is clicked mistakenly, just drag it up to remove it from the screen. Click the object component and move it to the sentence baseline. 4. Subject and verb and indirect object and direct object. If a word is clicked mistakenly, drag it up and remove it from the screen. Click the indirect object component and move it to the sentence baseline. Click the adjective component and drag it under the noun it modifies. 5. Subject and verb and object complement. Click the complement component and move it to the sentence baseline. More components. Adverbs. Click the adverb 1 component and drag it to the verb it modifies. Click the adverb 2 component and drag it to the adjective it modifies. Click the adverb 2 component and drag it to the adverb it modifies. Prepositional phrases modifying nouns. Click the preposition 1 component and drag it to the noun it modifies. Drag the preposition to the slant line of the preposition 1 component. Drag the object of the preposition to the horizontal line of the preposition 1 component. Compound elements. Click the compound right 1 and 2 component and drag it to connect with the sentence baseline. Click and drag "and" to the vertical line of the compound 1 and 2 component. Click the preposition 2 component and drag it to the verb it modifies. Compound elements. Click the compound mid 1 and 2 component and drag it to connect with the sentence baseline. Click the preposition 2 component and drag it to the end of the sentence baseline.